2025 Singles Case S. Very much Lightning McQueen heavy case. There is a lot of Lightning McQueens in this case, but he is the main character of the entire franchise. Welcome back to another video, everybody. Today we'll be taking a close look at the contents of 2025 Singles Case S, and maybe in the near future I'll be able to take a close look at 2025 Singles Case U. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the, case. So, the first one in this case is this Rusty's Lightning McQueen here. Here is your bog standard Cars 3 Rusty's McQueen. Nothing too special about him. I have mentioned in the Case T video that this is a sort of new variant because it now has the base holes underneath, so it could be towed by the new versions of Alternators, which is actually going to be a new variant in 2025 Case U as well, the President Mater. So yeah, there is only one of him in this case. There is two Claude Scrugs in this case, the Cars 1 leakless piston cup racer. I really do love this piston cup racer. Still being released from Thailand way back in 2006 and 2025. Literally a 19-year difference, which is crazy. Love the decals there. The artwork looks absolutely amazing. On the back, we could just see this is the European packaging, so it's only going to show the one car. Hence why I didn't show the back of McQueen. But if you are interested, this is the original promo image that they used way back in 2006. We can see the other copyright information there. This is how you can tell this is 2025 card, because the recycling information has moved over from this side to this side. So yeah, that is one of the main differences. But yeah, that is Claude Scrugs. In this case is Rusty's Cruz Ramirez. Nothing too special about her. She has been released from Thailand multiple times now. It would be nice to get her back as a Dynaco version. Would be very, very nice if they re-released her in 2026. Very nice variant. She still flies off the shelves though. The artwork looks absolutely incredible. There is the back of the packaging. Again, just the image of her China version and the copyright information on the back here. There is... Let's go to Floyd. There is two Floyd Mulvihills in this case. Again, was released in a 2-pack with Krusty Rotor a couple of years ago. But it is a very nice piston cup racer if you didn't want to buy the 2-pack, because Krusty was released in 23 and Floyd again in 25. Maybe he'll be back in 26, but I don't see any issues with him selling, especially here in the UK. He does sell quite very well. Again, the original Chinese promo image on the back there. There is two of him in the case. Speaking of two in the case, there is two The Kings in the case. Now, sadly, I don't actually have the image, the packaging for the 2025 The King yet. So I'll throw an image on your screen around about now. But yeah, this is the Thailand version. You can see here, there will be no differences compared to this one. I have the 24 card, but I didn't really want to compare the 24 card to the 2025 card. That could be a video for later on in the year, maybe. Yep, there is two of him in the case. There is also two Sallys in this case. This is your bog standard Thailand version of Sally, as you can see via the base here. I will throw an image of her 2025 card in the middle of your screen now. Nothing too special, but yeah, I'm surprised I don't actually have her yet, because there's two of her in the case. The King is more understandable because he is a little bit harder to get hold of. There is one Cars on the Road Lightning McQueen, the 2023 version. As you can see with the different expression. This one has base holes. I'm pretty sure they all did. Not too much to talk about him. He's in pretty much every single case. You can see the back of the packaging there for him. Put him there in the background. There is one Cave Lightning McQueen in this case, which is a little bit annoying because he was released in 2023, then in the 2-pack of Pitstoposaurus, and then again in 2024, in a 2-pack with Pitstoppersaurus, and now 2025 as a single. This is a new card variant for him in 2025, so this is one I have to get for my carded collection, as I am a completist, sort of. Yep, I really still do like this McQueen. Surprised he doesn't sell more often, because dinosaurs seem to be a very popular thing with kids. Yep, there is the back, the original promo image there, and the other information. One I'm not too happy about being in this case is a Nile Speedcone, which is actually a female racer, not a male racer, and it's pronounced Nile Speedcone, not Niles Speedcone. I don't know why people seem to get that one messed up quite often. Actually have no clue. But yeah, I'm getting sick or tired of her in the cases. I do like the artwork though, that is pretty cool. And there is the 2025 background. This is also a new card variant to, you know, the packaging. So yeah, this is different compared to the Cars on the Road version. So yeah, another boring release. There is one Cars 1 Lightning McQueen in this case. Your bog standard Cars 1 Lightning McQueen. Very nice stuff. Shame the Lightning McQueen with sign isn't in this case, as I did explain it in the previous video that you'd want to get that one over this one, because it does come with a bonus sign and it doesn't cost any extra money, unless you are a carded collector like me, of course, so you have to get both. But yeah, this also has the base holes. Let's move Nile out the way because she's annoying. Cars 1 Lightning McQueen with the Rusty's logo on the back, so they updated the promo image. Pretty cool stuff. There is one GRC Lightning McQueen in this case, which is pretty cool. I do love GRC Lightning McQueen. He still flies off the shelves. Tiny little crease there in the corner, but that doesn't bother me too much, just as long as I have it on the card. And this is the 2025 card variant, because it doesn't have the new snipe in the corner. And to be honest, it's just him on the back on the States version, I believe, as along with Carlo Veloso. So I'm not too bothered. Yeah, there is the information on the back. Speaking of GRC racers, this is a re-release of GRC Raoul with the updated car code as well in the corner, and no new for 2024 snipe in the corner. Let's see, one of my favourites. I think Raoul is my favourite GRC racer, just because it remembers me of Cars Fastest Lightning video game. Love the artwork here. GRC just looks absolutely incredible. Raoul, however you like to pronounce his name. Let's go over to Meta. Now this is the only time you're going to get this Meta this year as a single, and he is actually a new variant. They updated the hook slightly. I have done a video on this already, so I'll leave a video in the iCard in the top right hand corner, so you can watch that video. This Meta is going to become pretty hard to find if you are a variant collector. Not just a variant collector, a carded card variant collector as well. That's just too much information. But yeah, pretty nice release. I do like how he's been updated now. And you can see the updated code in the corner there. And on the back, this is actually US packaging, or like US Canadian, because I did want this one, as he is going to be more rarer. You can see some other cars on the back like Darryl Cartrip, Mario Andretti, Dexter Hoover, Green Flag, Christina Wieland, Pit Group member Sarge, and I believe that is JW. And I just realised, this Meta is in the case. I just completely forgot. I believe it's case S. I probably got that completely wrong. If I did, then I don't know why I showed him. Speaking of other cars in this case, Acer is back as a new Thailand variant in 2025. First time being released since 2015, and that one was a variant altogether, like a unibody, no segmented piece on the front. We can see the code there as well. The cornering there, pretty nice stuff. Just love how Acer is back in 2025, man. I love his card art, it just looks incredible. On the back, this is again US packaging slash Canadian, Australian. So we've got Asa on the back and Otus, and they did get him in the right movie as seen in Cars 2. So that is a pretty cool feature altogether. There is one Winford, Bradford, Bufferford in this case. Everybody is going crazy over this guy because he beat Prime McQueen. I'm surprised he's not flying off the shelves more often than others, to be honest with you guys. He just looks absolutely incredible. Yeah, there is the Winford, Bufferford, the RPM Pistol Cup Racer. Pretty cool. And on the back it's just him with his updated Thailand image, which is nice to see. And some other information on the back there too. Another Piston Cup Racer is Dave Alternators, the one that seems to want to change his name many times throughout his career. Dave Alternators, Davey Apex, TG Castlenut. He likes changing his name, doesn't he? But yeah, I believe it is originally Davey Apex, but Mattel are now just changing it to Dave Alternators, so I guess that is the name now. Red on red doesn't really work well, but I do like the artwork for Dave here. He looks really cool. Disney Pixar Cars logo there. And again, this is 2025 packaging. Another boring one in this case, if I can get him out here, is the Doc Hudson. Pretty cool stuff. Doc does still fly off the shelves. There he is. There's this nice card image. Pretty cool. We can see the base there. Nice chrome base. Based on the real Hudson Hornet. I like it when Mattel release cars with actual meanings. There's the original Thailand promo image of way back in 2006. Just crazy to think that cars is still going, still strong as a hobby. One boring one in this case, then I believe I have one left to show you guys. And that is the Cryptid Buster Lightning McQueen. This is a new card variant for this case. Well, not this case, sorry. This year. Was released in 2023. And not been re-released since. He has the base holes there. Yep, new for the Red Riders packaging. The artwork looks pretty cool. And on the back, it is just a Lightning McQueen as the Cryptid Buster. I thought that was something weird on the case then I just removed. But yeah, that is this one. There is also a new Thailand variant of Cars 1 Lightning Ramone. I love this Lightning Ramone. I'm glad they updated him. He looks way much more better in Thailand. I have already reviewed this guy on the channel, so I'll leave a link to that in the top right hand corner. You can click that and then, yeah, I'll show you the video of Ramone. Would be nice if we got a hydraulic Lightning Ramone in the future, as from Thailand. But yeah, that would be cool. There's the code there, and this is also US, Canadian, Australian packaging. The other cars on the back, as I have shown already. Dale Cartridge, Mario Andretti, Dexter, the same old. This guy is going to be quite rare by the end of this year, so if you don't already have him, I would get him now before he sells out. And another one that I would get right now before she sells out is Johnathan Gearson. This is a new Cars on the Road release for 2025 and the only new Cars on the Road release for 2025. BMW, very nice mould. I do like this one, but I don't know why it has a male's name even though it is clearly voiced as a female character. It's a real shame. There's a little scratch there in the corner. If I get another one, I'll probably end up getting rid of this one, trading it, selling it. But for now, I just wanted this one in the packaging. There is only one of this one in the case, but I did actually get two. And the reason why I haven't shown the back yet is because there is two different card versions. As you can see here, Johnathan Gearson's artwork just here on its own. And then the, American, Canadian, Australian packaging has Margaret Motorway, Barney Cones, Cape Mater, Logan Gearsel, Cryptid Buster McQueen, which I have shown already in this case, and Chris Freightman. So yeah, this is a big case. 15 minutes is a long video for my channel, but you guys seem to like my Case T video, so maybe I will do a video on Case U, because apparently Case U is hitting Smith's Toy Superstores now, maybe, or it's at least available for pre-order. Yeah, let me know in the comments below which is your favourite from this case. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, all of that stuff. To the next video, peace everybody.